Hi, this is Amy. Today I'd like to show you how to use this die cut paper to decoupage on the black trail. And decoupage is a classical paper and a little bit thinner than normal paper. And the paper connected with this yellow bar and you can cut it, very convenient. And the first things today we need to prepare this a black wood trail. I like this black and first the things you need to clean up all the edge and sand it with sandpaper, and you just have to clean up the surface. Don't need any like a rebuild or something. And you can, and today I just leave my stuff like this, and then now let's cut this paper. Cut the paper out and lay out first. And let's cut this paper first. And we just need to cut between the image, the connection of the bar. It's very convenient. After all the image cut out, and we can start use this Mod Podge glue. And today I use this matte format Mod Podge to glue this die cut paper. You can use whatever you prefer. And this die cut paper, very thin. You not need to worry about tear off or something image mess up. I like to apply this Mod Podge on the back and the front. First things you apply on the back, and after that you post the image on the paper on the place and lay out it. You can move a little bit and make sure everything is right place is the place you want it, and applying the more Mod Podge on the top. And when you apply this Mod Podge on the top, you need to remember you need to push the under the the back the Mod Podge out, and push the bubble out. In that case, you can make a great project. And how to put this Mod Podge out? You just use your brush, start from the center and push to edge. That's it. It's very easy. You can try it. And all the paper you can get from my web store is charitino.com. I leave this below this frame. And it's very easy, and try it. You may really like it. It's ready, and let them dry. Let the glue dry first. And then make sure all sides the glue is nice and dry. And when they're dry, and I suggest you apply some, I call this a polyurethane. And this is a clear, crystal clear, and a semi-glossy. And for this, protect this wood surface, I like to apply about like a 2 to 3 layer, and depends on what kind of things I will put on, how to use this project. So this polyurethane you can get in any local store like a Home Depot, and apply all over the place, and it will be done. Thank you for watching today's movie. Any question, please leave me the comment. I will answer you faster as possible. And please visit my website. Thank you.